Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to verify your Uber account. Now, if you're new to Uber and you just downloaded it from your mobile device, or for those who don't know how to download it, whether you have an Apple or an iPhone or an Android device or maybe a Samsung phone, it's pretty much the same thing. You need to go to the Play Store or App Store, depending on what type of device you have, and just search for Uber, download the app on your mobile device. Bada bing, bada bong. It's very easy, and you need to sign up. Use your Gmail or your Apple ID. It's very straightforward. And once you are here, right, this is going to be what you're going to be seeing for the first time. So look towards your the bottom of the screen. This is your main menu. You have your home, you have your services, you have your activity, and then the most important part is you need an account. Or tap on the account option. So once you are here on the account option, you want to tap on the icon, the grayed out person or human profile icon on the upper right corner of the screen, the big circle, gray and white thing, like so. So tap on it like so. It's going to bring you to your account. So here you want to see whether or not you've completed your account checkup. For the most part, people will need to go through using their identification. This is pretty much Uber's KYC process. So as you can see, it says here, complete your account checkup. It's going to ask you for two-step verification, and it's going to ask you for your phone number, right? You need to be verified, and then your email, right? So these are the ways to just verify your Uber account, and you just need to follow the process pretty much all the way through. It's not that hard, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.